everybody? It's your girl Bree checking back in, and welcome back to another edition of As Told by Bree. Now, if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that, and like and comment on this video. Let me know what you guys think. It's been a minute since I've done one of these home decor hauls, so I'm super excited to show you guys some of my latest pickups. And honestly and truly, I think I'm graduating, y'all. And what I mean by that, if you've known me or if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you know that I love all things glam, and I still do. But I think I'm graduating from glam to a more modern style of home decor. So my taste is changing, which is a good thing. You know, it just means that I have an eye for different things. So the stuff that I have picked up is still glam. Like, don't get it twisted. It's still glam, but a lot of it is still like transitioning to that more modern style of home decor. So without further adu, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so first things first is this hourglass right here. Y'all, I had my eye on an hourglass for a while now. And when I saw this one, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it because it's black and gray. And I don't know if I've mentioned this to you guys, but I actually took the gold out of my bedroom. So now my bedroom is just black and white. So I think that this would be a great addition to put in there. I'll bring it a little bit closer. This came from Home Goods. And normally I'm not a huge fan of Home Goods because I like to shop very affordably. Like, I am a Ross girl. I am a Goodwill girl, garage sale girl. I think it is just the cutest, very sophisticated, clean, classy, modern. Honestly, this is kind of unisex. It can go for either man or woman. So, love that. Next, honestly, I'm not exactly sure what these things are called. They kind of just sit there, but this, take a look, get into it. So this also came from Home Goods. I got this in the same visit that I got that. So it's black. It actually has a tint of like navy blue to it, but at first glance, it looks like it's black. And yeah, I absolutely love it. However, I sat it in my room for about 3 weeks in a bag because I hadn't taken the stuff out because I didn't really know what I was gonna do with it just yet. And I pulled it out of the bag today to do this video, and it was broken. Like, 2 of the pieces to come off. So that's definitely red flag. This is also from, like I said, Home Goods. I guess I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna glue those other 2 pieces on there, or if I'm just gonna kind of leave it and let it sit somewhere like this or something like that. But yep, absolutely love it. And this also leans more towards that modern decor that I was talking about. Okay, so let's get into the bathroom. So this is also from Home Goods. Y'all, I need to stop shopping at Home Goods. Every time I go to Home Goods, I always say that I'm gonna get either nothing or one thing, and I always end up with like 2 little knickknacks. This is a whole set, which I'm thrilled about. So it's like marble bathroom decor, if you can see that. Black marble, and it came with 4 pieces. So it came with this piece. This is for your toothbrushes, and I'll hold it closer so that you guys can like really get a good look at it.
Tie beads.
This is for your toothbrushes. For your tissues. Now we have this soap. I thought it was just so cute when I saw it. It says boutique. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute and bougie. And I love how it has this on here. It just makes it look more expensive to me. So I pair all those 4 together, and I have another piece in my bathroom. But yep, I love it. Black and white. Y'all know I love black and white. And this one was my favorite. Like, I could not resist this. Cute. Okay, so still in the bathroom. Now, these 2 are separate. So I bought this container, this little container from Home Goods, and you can really do whatever you want with it. You can put jewelry in here, or what I did, I put Q-tips in here. So if you can see in there, I bought some black Q-tips off of Amazon. If you like, I can link that down below for you guys. And yeah, it's just super cute, you know, like just a cute little way to dress something up. But yeah, that's how I did that, and I love it. Like, easy, you know, shows that you're clean. Just have these in your bathroom, and that's where I'm gonna have mine. So yeah, love this. Next, okay, so we're still kind of in the bathroom, but we're transitioning a little bit. This, okay, I'm obsessed with all things crystal home decor right now. And when I saw this little perfume bottle, I had to have it. Some people actually put perfume in this. I don't, I just sit it on my mirror tray in my bathroom, but you could if you wanted to. And then, you know, just like that. But yeah, I kind of just use it strictly for decor. And it sits in my bathroom on my mirror tray. And it, y'all, it is just the cutest little bougiest little thing. Price tag on it, $9.99. So cute, so dainty, so girly, so bougie, and it really wasn't even that expensive. Since we're on the idea of perfume, so I got this as a gift for Valentine's Day. And it's the Gucci Guilty perfume. But I wanted to bring this to your attention because I use this as decoration too. I put this on another mirror tray. So that one sits in my bathroom. This one sits in my bedroom on a mirror tray, and it looks so cute. If you know my bedroom, it's black and white. It used to be a pop of gold, and that's when I put this on there. But even now that I don't have gold in there, it still like sits very, very nicely. It's so elegant, so cute. Like the fact that you have something nice, dainty, and designer in your room definitely makes it feel a little bit more luxurious. Okay, now we have this big diamond, y'all. Like it, if you're talking about obsessed with glam, I was obsessed with glam. So this diamond is freaking huge. As you can see, I can barely fit it in my hand. This is from Ross, and this was also in that Valentine's Day section. So I got this and the perfume bottle at the same time from the same Ross. So like if you ever go into Ross or Burlington's, Home Goods, and you look in the glassware section, you should be able to find some cute little dainty, very girly, very glam, very like luxurious looking stuff in the glassware section. I know Home Goods has a section, I'm not sure about the other stores. This is the picture frame. It is gray, has a gray frame, it's matted, and then of course, you know, I had to throw a black and white picture. This is actually a picture of me that I cropped. So I cropped my face out. I got the inspiration from Pinterest. Like I love this, it screams like bossy. And let me tell y'all about this. So I was on the edge with this. I was like, do I want a mirror frame or do I want this gray frame? And really what it came down to, remember how I told you guys I was moving into like that more modern decor? I felt like this screams more modern, whereas the mirror frame screams more glam. And I was like, you know what? The glam looks really great. It looks amazing. But this is where I'm going, you know? Like the other one is where I am now, but this is where I'm headed. So I feel like this is a little bit more grown and sexy, a little bit more bossy. The other one was more like still bossy, but like I'm glamorous and bossy. This one's just like I'm grown and I'm bossy. Feel me? Okay, cool. Okay, so I have two of these. I got these from Ross. They're just big baskets, just big baskets. I have a gray one for my living room and I have a black one that I put in my bathroom. And the black one I just put extra towels, and the gray one I put blankets, and I normally like hang the blanket over the side like so. It looks super cute in my living room, super Pinteresty, super cute. Those are from Ross, and they usually have them in a ton of colors. Those are super easy to find. Now we're on to the last two things. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all this one first. So I got two blankets. This one is from Ross, and I loved it. It's a throw blanket for me. I sit it on my couch, and on one side, as you can see, it's like white and furry, and on the other side, it's gray. So it's reversible. You can kind of sit it however. You can kind of just throw it however you want to do it. It's super cute. It's like awesome, and it feels so good. It feels so good. So okay, y'all. So this is a rug that I've kind of multi-purposed. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Like, oh. Now this is more modern, I would say. I would say this is a little bit more modern. It's about, I don't know if it has the measurements on it, but I would say it's about, oh, it does have the measurements. 71 inches long. So, you can use it as a rug, longer rug. I used it on my chase, like where that blanket is, this is actually normally there. And I just throw it, like I just throw it over there, throw it on top, and it looks so good. Like, it looks really good. I love it. It's one of my favorite newer pieces. Yeah, I love it. So that is all from my updated home decor haul. Hope y'all like my stuff. I like my stuff. Y'all know I love all things home decor. So every once in a while I gotta tap back in to remind myself, like, girl, like tap into your creative juices and make this place look, feel the way you want it to look and feel. So I hope you guys are doing the same with your houses and turning your homes into houses, or houses into homes, your apartments into homes, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be doing more home decor videos. My bathroom's almost finished, so I'm thinking maybe I'll do a bathroom tour first. We'll see. Make sure to follow me at Brianna J. Weaver, and I will see you guys in my next video. Later.